Hey you guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. Today's video is in partnership with Curlsmith. I'm going to use a couple of their products to show you how I got this super cute and defined wash and go in the most simple steps. So you will see me using their Moisture Memory Release Weightless Leave-In Conditioner and their new Awestruck Definition Cream. This is a superior hold styling cream that is exclusively sold at Ulta Beauty. Now, I did wash and condition my hair with some Curlsmith products that I will link or leave on the screen. And y'all, you can literally just look at my hair and you can see how moisturized and hydrated it looks and feels. Their wash day products are literally unmatched. For this wash and go, I am going to start with the leave-in conditioner. I really love Curlsmith's updated packaging because they categorize their products now. So the leave-in is step 3 in their wash day collection. So I just feel like that really helps you to pick your products and know which product goes with which step you're on. So then I'm going to use the brand new Awestruck Definition Cream, obviously, to get that nice definition. I am going to give you guys a little bit more information on this product in a minute because I love the fact that it gives you the lightness and lightweightness, if that's a word, of a cream, but it performs like a gel and still gives you that definition and hold. So yeah, you can never go wrong with a kind of, in a sense, 2-in-1 product. Now, I have been natural for a while now, so I feel like at this point, I'm kind of an expert when it comes to natural hair, of course, specifically my own hair. But if you did not know, leave-in conditioners are really good for being that first base of moisture, that first layer of moisture before you go on to apply something like a cream or a gel or, whatever other styling product you want to use. So you saw me go ahead and use the Moisture Memory Release. I just misted my entire section on down on my hair was damp, and then I am now detangling it. Of course, you want to always work in small sections, detangle your hair thoroughly, and you will see that my hair just looks and feels already 10 times more shinier than it was before I added it. So my hair was feeling super duper good. This leave-in is made with, it has macadamia oil, it has olive oil, it smells really good, and I think it did a great job for that first base layer. So I had to go and find a curl cape because I did not want to get any product on my brand new tank top. It's pink and it's cute. So now you will see me just misting my first section of hair with water. The Awestruck Definition Cream says to work on wet hair, and it is good to follow the directions of products to get the best results. So I took a nice generous amount for this section. Always make sure you work in sections. And yeah, the product smells super duper good, but honestly, all of Curlsmith's products do. I'm just raking it and smoothing it onto my hair strands. Now keep in mind, Curlsmith is good for all curl types. So whether you have waves, whether you have curls, whether you have coils, I tend to have a mixture of curls and coils. I promise you will find something that works for you. So yeah, I am just working this on in, and then this is what the curls are looking like after I just kind of, raked it on through that section. And honestly, just for a cream, this is not bad. But I am going to split my hair in half. I'm going to work in an even smaller section. If you really want to try to get as much definition as you can, then work in smaller sections. But if you are someone who is, maybe you want a fluffier look, or you're just not keen, or it doesn't really matter to you how defined your curls are, then you can work in bigger sections. It's all a personal preference. One thing I have learned when it comes to natural hair, curly hair, sometimes a lot of it is just what you prefer. Everybody likes different things for their hair and different results. But yeah, now I am working in this small section. I added a little bit more product and the curls are popping a little bit more. But to amp things up a little bit more, I am going to shingle. So basically, I'm going to take some pieces of my hair, twirl them around my finger so it can pop a bit more. Now, I totally forgot to mention that the Awestruck Definition Cream feels so nice and buttery and soft on my hair. And I also am loving how the curls are looking nice and juicy. I honestly do prefer a gel for my wash and goes, but when you have a cream that still gives you the hold of a gel, you can definitely do no wrong. So this is what the first section is looking like, and I'm just going to literally repeat the exact same steps on the other sections as I go along. So using the leave-in conditioner, making sure to run that on through and basically distribute it and detangle with my brush so that every curl gets some of that moisture. And then on damp hair, I am going to add the Awestruck cream on top just to add that oomph of moisture. It's also going to give me that curl poppage, that hold. Honestly, I feel like you get more of the hold once your hair actually dries, but still, it's going to give that hold. And then, of course, working in sections, I am going to make sure I do some shingling just to amplify the curl poppage. Now, like I said, a lot of your natural hair journey comes down to personal preference. So if you are someone who is like, I do not want to do any shingling, that's going to take forever, because sometimes it does, then you can also kind of just rake product through your hair and get curl definition that way. After you rake, if you want, you can scrunch your curls, kind of just, I don't know how to explain it, balling your curls into your hands and like squishing it, and that will like reinforce the curl pattern. You can also use a defining brush. Like, there's so many different ways to get the curls you want, but for me, like I said, shingling is my go-to. So once I finished moisturizing and shingling the back portion of my wash and go, for the top, I wanted to kind of switch things up. If you are anything like me and have been natural for a long time, you know, sometimes just doing a simple side part or middle part wash and go gets boring. So I was like, you know what? Let me kind of jazz up the front of this while still making the curls pop. So I just split my hair into two different sections, and I went ahead and moisturized it the same way I did the rest of my hair. So misting it on down with that leave-in conditioner, detangling it, and then I will go in and add a nice amount of the Awestruck Definition Cream to make sure that it's not only hydrated and moisturized, but has that curl poppage. So once my hair is nice and, or at least once the top of my hair is nice and hydrated, I am going to go in and just brush my edges so that I can put this into a cute high ponytail. And I'm glad I did it like this because it actually came out super duper cute. So brushing it on up, putting it into a ponytail, and then I will just add a little bit of edge control off the camera. Now, I'm just taking yet again a little bit more of that definition cream, you guys. Do not be afraid to add more cream if you need some more definition, if you need some more moisture. Don't be afraid. So you can see as soon as I put this onto these curls, they just started to pop. So it was a good call that I added a little bit more. So I'm just going to kind of run it through my run it through my not my hands, run it through my curls, sorry, until I get it to my liking. And then we are going to diffuse these curls. I'm not a big air dry girl. I know some girls like to air dry. If that's you, like I said, preference thing. I like to just get it on done and use my diffuser. So I'm going to do that real quick, and then you guys can see the juicy curls. So these are the final results, and I love the way this wash and go came out. This Awestruck Definition Cream is super good. So if you are maybe looking to try a cream for your wash and go, or maybe you just need a new cream for your wash and go, I highly recommend you to get this. I forgot to mention, it is made with hyaluronic acid. It has avocado oil, apricot oil, so not only do you get that definition, but you do get softness and hydration, which I know is very important. So let me know what you guys think about this look. Don't forget to try out Curlsmith products, okay, you guys? They're super good for everybody. They're beginner friendly if you're new to embracing your curls. So make sure you pick them up at Ulta Beauty. I'm going to have a link down below for you to shop, and you may have seen some links pop up on the screen. But don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another video.